Okay, I'm going to do homework problem number 14 on page 398. This is the setup that it gives you, and the directions ask you to use the law of sines to solve the triangle. So when you look at it, or you think about it, they've given you side-side angle, because angle B is not in between side B and side C. So this is side-side angle, which means that you have to check. Now, this one is different than the ones we did in class because they gave us b, and little c. In class, we were given angle A, side A, and side B. But this scenario is exactly the same. If you think of this problem like this, it's identical to the ones that we did in class. So it doesn't matter what you call the different angles. As long as you have the scenario set up the same way, you can solve the problem in exactly the same way as we did in class with the A's and the B's. So if it helps you to think of it this way, think of it this way with angle A, side A, and side B. Because all that matters is that you have side-side angle. So in both of these scenarios, we've got side-side angle, and like I said, it doesn't matter what you call the angles and the sides. As long as you set it up in the same way, you can solve the problem in the same way. So since this is side-side angle, we need to check the chart. The angle that they've given us is acute. Angle A is acute, and A is greater than B. So when we look at the chart, angle A is acute and A is greater than B is, which one? Right here, scenario 4. Angle A is acute and A is greater than B, so one triangle is possible. So we can just set up the law of sines. 6.2 divided by the sine of 2 degrees, 45 minutes, equals 5.8 divided by the sine of angle B. On my calculator, I'm going to type in 5.8 times the sine of 2 degrees, 45 minutes, divided by 6.2. And then I need to do inverse sine of that answer. And since the angle A that they gave me is in degrees and minutes, I'm going to convert this back to degrees and minutes. So let's just write 2 degrees, 34 minutes. So angle B is 2 degrees, what did I say, 34 minutes. Okay, so then to find angle C, we just need to subtract 180. So I've got 180 minus that answer, minus 2 degrees, 45 minutes. And again, since I'm in degrees and minutes, I'm just going to convert it back to degrees and minutes. 174 degrees, 40 minutes. So angle C is 174 degrees, 40 minutes. But again, I'm going to keep that number on my calculator so that when I do the next step here and find side C, I'm going to use the exact answer. And I'm using the exact answer, exact information that they gave me here for A, 2 degrees, 45 minutes. All right, so on my calculator, that's 6.2 times the sine of that angle, 174 degrees, divided by the sine of 2 degrees, 45 minutes. So side C is 11.987. Now, if you want to go back and put it in terms of the information that they gave us here at the beginning, then angle C would be 2 degrees, 34 minutes, because that goes with, remember we changed it to B over here. And then angle A would be the one that was 174 degrees, 40 minutes, and 11.987 for the side length.